So now y'all see the real reason why I had to buy the Yeezy Gap hoodie in the red colorway.
Jones on the soundtrack.
I told myself that I was never buying a pair of these. Back to the B-roll. Are these Crocs? I don't know, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Last video was another Yeezy Gap hoodie review. So I said, hey man, let's go with the foam runners, man. As y'all know, red is one of my favorite colors. I have a lot of bread Jordan 1s, bread. I got every bread Jordan. So when Yeezy came out with the red foam runner joints, you know I was on them, man. Even though I never owned a pair of Crocs, sandals, etc., I just had to see what these look like in all red. If you already know about Yeezy and his sneaker situation, you already know when red is mentioned with a Yeezy, it's something special. And that's because of the Red Octobers that we never ever got from Nike and Kanye when they were together. So this is the first ever red Yeezy. Believe it or not, fact check it, look it up. It's the first one. It's not a sneaker, but it's your first red. I think the closest we got to this was the bread V2s. You could even throw the zebras in there. That's one of the reasons I kept the zebra 350s for a long time, because it had that hint of red in it. But yeah, man, foam runners. One thing I could say, man, sneakers light as heck, man. Very light sneaker. And it's crazy because these came out in October and they're red. So I think Adidas and Kanye kind of knew what they was doing with this whole drop, because we seen pictures of this colorway long time ago. So for us to get it in October, they kind of know what they're doing. So the official name for this is Vermilion or Vermilion. I don't really know how you pronounce it, but if you look it up, Vermilion is red. It's red, but it's something to do with the nature and the rocks. Kanye's been on brand with the nature colorways and the nature names for their sneakers, man. But enough talking, man. Let's get into the review.
Unboxing time.
So again, you have your regular brown box. Now, I can't really be mad at the regular brown box, because at the end of the day, it is like an $80, $70 shoe or sandal or slide, whatever you want to call it. And it's on brand. This is what Kanye's been doing. He's just been giving us brown boxes. So I like that. I think my pair actually came straight from Japan. I brought it off Go, and that's where the shipment came from. So I'm not sure if every one box has all of this. Someone in the comment section, let me know how y'all feel about this. The jars come like this. But yeah, that's strange to me. You open the box up, and inside you have your regular tissue paper that you get with every Yeezy. But here it says foam runner. Foam runner. I think that's dope, but I also think that should have been on the outside. Enough with the box. If I could get it to close. There we go. And here go your Yeezy Foam Runner. I did try these on, and they fit perfect. As you know, well, y'all don't really know, but I wear 10 and a half. Sometimes I go to 11 depending on the silhouette. Some Jordan 1s I go to the 11. And I got 11 in these because when I first brought Yeezy slides, I think it was the orange pair, I brought a size 11 and my foot couldn't even fit in it, and I'm a 10 and a half. My girl is an 8 and she fit in them, so that whole sizing is crazy. I went with 11 again in these because these are more shaped like a sneaker compared to a slide, and it fits perfect. I didn't have socks on, so that's something I'm gonna have to check out and figure out, make sure they fit. But with no sock, they fit perfect. Here go the design, a closer look at the design for you guys. I asked, was it a Croc, because it has Croc similarities. But you know the gibbets that all the women and men are putting in their Crocs. I don't really see like these holes can fit for this. I know someone will come up with some gibbets with the thing that can fit inside these, but I doubt it. So no, in my opinion, it's not a Croc. To me, it's a sneaker with a lot of holes. Because if you look at this, just focus on these two holes for me. You see those two dots there? You see it? So in my opinion, this is kind of a wave runner silhouette. But it just has way too many holes. I can even compare the bottoms. As y'all see, the bottom is sneaker-like. The foam runners are just meant to be, I guess, more out in the open, man. West Coast vibes or Miami vibes. You just probably want to show your socks off. I don't know, man. But it's sturdy enough to be a sneaker, in my opinion. I didn't check if it has boost technology, but it's definitely soft material at the bottom. Being that I guess it's an all rubber sneaker, the sizing is in sticker. So you don't have like no sizing in it. They probably could have imprinted it in the rubber, but I guess they just went for the sticker. So now, as far as this being a cool silhouette, I like it. There go your DIDNT branding right there at the bottom. There's no Yeezy branding on this at all, but the sneaker is so out of pocket, you know it's a Yeezy. It's like no one's gonna ask what are they, even though they look like a sneaker that you would say, what are those? All red, man. I like them. They match with the hoodie perfect, man. I don't know, man. I really like them, man. In your comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these sneakers. Let me know if y'all own a pair. I do like the original color also, but I'm a red guy, so I kind of like the red a little better. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. This is a quick review on the Yeezy Foam Runner. Everybody get rich.